Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time or stopping by, you are welcome to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are definitely welcome. So in today's video, I will be doing everyday makeup tutorial for beginners. So this is not the kind of your everyday makeup, but this one is special one. So if this sounds like what you want to watch, keep watching and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel by hitting on the red subscribe button down there. And that being said, let's get right into the video.
Do you want to know? Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other.
So guys, I went off camera to do my brows because I already have a video on how to do your brow on my channel. In case you are interested, I will leave a link somewhere here to go and see that, and then I'll move on to the rest of my face. So to moisturize my face, I'm using this my face moisturizer. So to set my eye, before I apply my eyeshadow, I'm using this Early Gauge Concealer in shade Fawn. I'll just apply it here. You don't need a little bit of it, you don't have to apply too much of the concealer. This shade red here, that is what I will use. To blend it all together, I'm using this orange shade here and I'm using this blending brush. So I'm done with my eyeliner and I'm going with my mascara, and I'm using this mascara here. Okay. Then before I apply my lashes, I just have to bring my natural lashes out. Here's the lashes I'll be using here. So guys, I'm done with my lashes. So right now I'll move on to my face. I'll just apply a little of my moisturizer on this side of my face because I've already put a moisturizer before. Using my baby skin primer to prime my face. You can see. Then I'll just prime the whole of my face. This part is very important. Make sure you prime your face before I apply your foundation, because this will make your foundation sit well and make it last long. So don't ever skip primer before apply your foundation. Make sure you do that. If you don't have primer your makeup kit, make sure you add one to it. It's very important, very, very important. So I'm done applying my primer. I will just wait for some few minutes. I'm using this L'Oreal Paris foundation in shade Cappuccino.
I need to fight, I know it's just so hard to let it go.
I'm not applying too much on my face. I'll just apply a little and then apply it to my neck a little bit, so my foundation don't end up being like mask.
My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that
Then I'll blend it very well using my damn beauty blender.
if I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? Something I can't forget. My heart won't.
You can skip this part if you want, but me, I love this other eye of my eye to be light, to be bright. So I'm going to apply a little concealer on it. Because we are doing everyday foundation, you can skip it if you don't like it. So I'll just apply a little concealer there to make it bright. And I'm using Elegant concealer.
Betrayed. My heart, my love.
I will flip my dark beauty blender. I use this side to blend it out gently.
It's hard to fight, goodbye.
It's not bright enough. I will apply a little on it to make it brighter. This is the setting powder I'll be using to set the place I highlighted. So I'm just going to use my face powder to blend everything together. For my contouring, I'm using this Douglas contouring palette, and then I'm using this one here to just have a little contour here.
Shine a light I can see.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you.
Then for my highlights, I'm using this highlight here, thread highlight, to highlight my cheek. I just give it a smile like this, a boy.
My beginning,
Do it this way.
come won't you come along?
No, I love this part. You know, when you turn your face this way, you see the other side shining. It's so beautiful. Just a smile.
There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms
To set the whole of the makeup, I'm using this Revolution Setting Spray. Then just spray it.
Now I know, baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again.
So this is the final look of this makeup.
Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains all day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms.
Guys, that is all for this makeup video, and if you like it, if you like something new, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe by hitting on the red subscribe button down there, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.